Here I've got Neffos C7s, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then click on Start Chat, select whichever contact you have around, and then click on language icon, which is here, select Add Language, and you can select the one that you would like to have your keyboard in. So let me pick, for example, this one. Okay, so let's make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. This is mine. As you can see, otherwise you will not be able to download the language. Here it is, now we are connected. So let me pick it one more time. Wait a couple of seconds until the language is downloaded. Scroll up and select this language. Here it is. Now we can switch off English. And as you can see, from now on, the keyboard language is different, the one that you just set. So this is how you can smoothly and easily change keyboard language in your Neffos. Once you want to go back to the different language or just go back to English, simply click on the language icon and then select English, or download some other language that you would like to have. So that would be all. This is how you can change keyboard language in your Neffos C7s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.